you have a pencil, I can borrow? Pencil. In your graph paper, you need to, okay, come here, we have a space. You can see how I do it. In your graph paper, you need to show me your scale. 1 block is 1 centimeter. You can consider 1 block, 2 block, 3 block, it's up to you. So I consider 3 block 1 Newton. So you need to show me in your graph what is your scale. So this is 3 block. So you write here 3 centimeter is 1 Newton. Now, one point here at the center, so I can consider this as a x, and this is y. The first one is at 30, right? So here there is a hole. You put that one here at this point. So you make the angle 30. You read this is 30. Then you draw a line. Draw a line. Draw a line. Now, how big is F1? F1 on the board, you see 2 Newton, right? So 2 Newton, we consider 3 centimeter 1 Newton. So 2 Newton is 6 centimeter, right? So this is 6. So you have here 6 centimeter. This is 6. So then that is F1. And this angle is 30 degrees. So I don't need this, I erase it, that part. Okay. Next one is F2, alright? F2 is here, 120. But it is easier to put F2 at the end of this, because you know that how they add vectors, right? If this is F1, if this is F2, so in the lecture we discuss how do you add, right? Beginning is here, ending is here. You connect this, that one give you R, right? F1, F2. So it is easier to put F2 at the end of F1. The angle is 120. 120, so this one goes here. Then 120. This is 120 here. 120, so there are a line here. That is this. Now, where is 120? Now, 120 basically is this, you see. This is basically 120. Because always you start from X and you go counterclockwise. 120. Now, how big is F2? F2 is the same. If you look at on the board, F2 is 2 Newton. So 2 Newton is what? 6 centimeter here. So you have here 6 centimeter. So this is This is 6. Okay? So 6 centimeters. So this is 6 centimeters. Okay? So I done this. I erase this part. Erase this. Now this is F2. This is F2. Now you need to add these two. Beginning is here, connected to the end. So beginning connected to the end. This is R. Now I measure R. You see, everything is measurements. R, we measure it. We measure R. That is 8.6, right? You see, 8.6, right? 8.6. So 8.6. So I calculated R for you, 8.6 centimeter. What was your scale? You said 1 Newton is 3 centimeter. Now this centimeter and this, they cancel. Now you have 8.6 divided by 3 Newton. What number calculator give you? 8.6 divided by 3.
2.86.
2 point what?
2.86.
2.86. 2.86 Newton. Now, this is, I calculated R for you. What is the angle? The angle, you measure this. Measure this. Now, what is this? The angle here, I measure it. That one is 75, you see? 75. So, this is 75, but I add 180. 75 plus 180, which is 255, right? Why I add 180? Because if you remember, this one was the force table. So you had one force here, one force here, you put one pulley here, then we had a ring, right? And the pin was here. Then you pull another, then you put another pulley this side. When you pull it, so the pulley was somewhere here. So you pass 180. So that's why I add here 180 for you. So you have 255. So I calculated theta for you, 255, and I